with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from In Love Art. I got they wanted to do another collaboration, and I love their products so much that I just had to say yes. And as you know, whenever I do a collaboration with them, all the description, links to all the different items that I got are always in the description box below, as well as a discount code for you guys so you can go and shop and have fun. So check this out. I don't remember I don't remember this one. I think this was an extra that they sent, because I don't remember this stamp set. But how cool is that? I love it. That would be perfect for summertime with the lemons and stuff. Wonderful. So Halloween is coming, and so I had to get some stuff here. And so I got two sets. One is this one is Halloween, and I think this one was Christmas. So these are little gnome, and you've got all the little these are little dies, and they would fit with the little sidekick machine, because they're very small pieces. And so you can disguise your little gnome the way you want. You've got the little beard, the little hat, which can be a little different little hats. You've got different little elements, and then of course you've got the little ghost, and then you've got little mouths and eyes, and yeah, it's just such an adorable little set. You've got little bat wings, so he's just gonna be so cute, so cute. So there's that. And then there's this one, which is a little gnome, but with a little Christmas hat, as you can see. And then there's these here, which are little labels. So fun little labels. I thought those were cute shapes, and they could make some very fun tags for gifts. Then there's a big hello, because you always need big hellos, and I love the dies for that, because then you can double or triple them and layer it up, and really fun. Then this one here, I thought it was, when I saw this, I just thought it was such a beautiful, fun background, and I can't wait to show a card with it so that I can actually show you what it looks like. It really looks tri-dimensional. It's super fun. And then there's this here, which is there's basically it cuts strips of paper, but then you can assemble them and make, like, for example, a card, and you've got like strips of paper going all the way down, or you can put, you know, a big strip and a small strip, or two small strip, or whatever, and just reorganize it. And I just thought there was so much potential for, especially for little pieces that you've got that you could make with this. So those are the elements that I got this time around, and I'm really looking forward to playing with all of these things. So you will be seeing some cards coming soon. I don't know which one we'll use first. I know you guys really wanted to do a Christmas, so maybe we should do Christmas, but then at the same time Halloween is really calling me. So decisions. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Hope you go and check them out. They've got really wonderful products. I highly recommend them, and really fast shipping and turnaround. So definitely worth checking them out. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, everyone. Oh,